Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and today we're starting up some work on a log home that I built almost 18 years ago, and it's suffered from what we call the deferred maintenance syndrome. And let me show you what we're up against. We just started this morning about 2 hours ago, and this north side here is in really good shape because it doesn't get much sun except right now in the morning. And we thought we'd be able to leave all the stain there, but it looks like it's coming off just with a light washing. So we're gonna stain that, but the porch here is perfect. So this area by the porch is gonna get left, and then we're gonna actually use a stain stripper over on this side and the other two sides, so that we can get down to the bare wood. And we're covering up the windows because we don't want to strip the paint off of those, and the soffit is going to stay the way it is, so we got to figure out how to protect that too. But anyhow, the other part of our job here excuse me, is to redo this coating that they put on to protect the styrofoam. The foam needs to be protected from sunlight, or it deteriorates it. Well, the material didn't adhere worth a darn except to the rim joist. So we've cut all that off, and we are replacing it with wire mesh and stucco. And so anyway, you can see up there we've got the original stain is holding up pretty good, but the bottom is bare wood, and this is the south side, so that's normal. So the sunroom over here has barn boards on it, and it's got old barn paint on it, so they want to keep the patina of that, so we're not going to do anything with that. But so we'll strip this part, and over here you can see what we're doing with the this is what we're doing to replace that old foundation coating. We're using plaster mesh. It's called several different things. Wire lath is another name for it, and we're running it down below the ground level just a little bit. And in order to do a decent job around the steps, we're taking the steps off. And we'll have to shorten up the treads a little bit, but that'll be the best way to deal with that. But there's also a dormer up here that's got cedar shakes on it, and they were pre-finished, but there isn't much finish left on them, so we're going to strip those down and redo those as well. So anyway, is that thing coming apart okay? Good. Good. Yeah, here's what I'm talking about. This is the patina on the barn boards. And I'm going to go inside here and show you the inside of this place quickly. There was actually a home here before that the original cabin starts here at this corner where the clock is, and there was a small addition on this side which we replaced with a much bigger kitchen addition. So hi there, Sandy. Hi. You're on YouTube.
Oh, great.
This is Sandy Cochran, the owner.
Hi.
We're just doing a quick video here of the inside of the house to add to the one I'm doing for the outside work right now, but you guys did a great job of finishing this place off. I can't believe how beautiful it looks. Well, anyway, after we get a little further with the outside and we get some stain on it, we'll show you how well we match the porch. Wish me luck.